Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have decided to show you two ways to secure your braids at the end and what you shouldn't and should when braiding with extension. If you are a returning subscriber, please remember to thumbs up this video, like, share and comment. It goes a long way. And if you are new on this channel, welcome to my channel and remember to subscribe. So sit back and enjoy. For example, you have started a very good job from the beginning and at the end you drop it undone. Please don't, it doesn't look neat. So I am going to show you how to secure the end now. I hope you guys can see what I am doing clearly. Towards the ends of your braid, you turn the 3 strands into 2 by splitting the middle strand into 2 and join them up to the either side of the strand and start twisting. I am going to repeat it once again so you can see it. prevent braid from the start to the end. Just patiently braid tight to the end. Here is an example. For you to achieve that tight, sharp end, your extension should look this way.